Good evening, everyone. My name is Andres Felipe Marulanda, apprentice of Software Analysis and Development Technology. This is the evidence number 2 of the competence 240202501, presented to the instructor Alejandra Moreno. Today, I will talk about the Internet of Things and how it has influenced or can influence to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of educational processes and those carried out within a company in the retail sector, making them increase their income and therefore their profits. Since the 90s, electronics and computer engineers have been constantly looking for ways to implant sensors and processors in household appliances and other everyday objects, such as watches, earphones, bracelets, glasses, etc. This has allowed millions of devices to send and receive information from the Internet. The set of connected devices and the technology that allows them to communicate with each other and with the cloud is what is called Internet of Things. It's expected that before the end of 2025, more than 100 billion devices will have connected. Its operation is simple. The devices are equipped with computing capabilities, so they can gather information about their environment, usage patterns, or capture the information entered by the users themselves and send it to an application in charge of receiving the information sent. By several of these devices analyze it using artificial intelligence and or machine learning to make informed decisions that are communicated to the device. Thanks to this, for example, you will have made a complete diagnosis of one of the pipes in your house within an hour without having to call a technician. Now, let's talk about how Internet of Things has positively impacted education. Thanks to this technology, today education is much more accessible thanks to virtual and inclusive training thanks to the use of technologies installed in mobiles or tablets which help people with disabilities to advance their training processes. The platforms we use for face to face or virtual training are increasingly advanced, putting at our disposal all the necessary materials to acquire knowledge. We have enough resources to will have finished all activities for delivery dates. Gone. There were the times in which we would have been looking for information in the different books of the library for hours. Today, we can filter it in a faster and faster way through the same platforms. Teachers also have tools, such as whiteboards on which they can write with a marker, that allow them to give their lessons in a more didactic and interactive way, regardless of the distance. Others that allow them to carry out knowledge tests that are graded automatically. Therefore, today, instead of will having been corrected exams for a whole day, it's more common to see them giving feedback to their students. Without forgetting, they have the possibility of recording the classes and making them available to those students who could not attend for some reason. With respect to the retail sector, we could say that it's one of the sectors that has benefited the most from the appearance of this technology. Benefits that have been transferred to those of us who work on this type of stores. Since, thanks to it, information can be collected about the habits and customs of customers, which is analyzed and used to generate messages such as those we have often received from a store, notifying us of discounts and promotions or telling us about the characteristics of a particular product or service. As a consultant, I have noticed that messages sent to customers' devices first help to increase the store's sales and therefore allow us to increase our revenue as we can access better commissions. They also improve the customer experience since when they arrive at the store, they know beforehand what they are looking for, which makes our job easier when it comes to getting them. And the advisories are much shorter, making it easier for us to attend to other customers. In other words, customers will no longer have to wait 5 or 10 minutes for you to serve them, avoiding that we find ourselves with annoying customers as sometimes happens. In conclusion, this technology has brought great benefits that I have been able to see as a trainee and as an employee. Thanks to the availability of resources and the ease of access to them, as a trainee, I can better calculate the time by which I will have complete and delivered each of the activities, which allows me to better organize my agenda. And as an employee, I will no longer have been advising a client for an hour or two before I can close a sale and be able to collaborate with another client in peace. Thanks for your attention. See you later.